you know why I feel apart?
Wow! Ang galing! My God, kinikilig ako, guys!
Hi Rakitos Vlog, nandito na yung request mo. Sana mapusuan ng tagahanga mo at followers. Salamat.
Hey, like this. One-sided love broke the seesaw down. I got to get lost in the grounds.
Ang galing!
You went to
My God, kinikilig ako, guys!
and do
Ang
you
galing mo, dong!
understand if your heart
Nakakilig ang
was
boses! My God! Oh yeah!
If we had an exchange of hearts,
Woo!
then you know
Yep.
why I feel
Grabe siya, oh!
apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, I'd even wish a lonely heart on you.
Yeah.
It's not your fault, not choose to be the fault.
Woo!
One day may come and you'll be in my shoes. Then your heart will break and you feel just like I do. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I feel apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, real time turn the tables, and soon I'll be able to find a new romance. And then you'll remember my love warm and tender, to live for a second chance. If we had an exchange of hearts, then you know why I feel apart. You'd feel the pain when the memories start. If we had an exchange of hearts, if we had an exchange of hearts.
Woo! So yun na nga, guys, no? Atin nang narinig at napakinggan ang isang kumanta ng Exchange of Hearts. Oh yeah! Guys, nirequest ko talaga yun, guys, na magpapakanta ako para naman kiligin ako. Wala akong katabi ito. At saka, guys, pa-support sa bidyong ito. Nais ko lang i-promote, no, na magustuhan sa ating mga followers. Sana magustuhan nyo at ipapakilala ko rin sa inyo ang kanyang Facebook account. Pero mas gusto kong pagawain siya ng Facebook page para doon niya i-upload ang kanyang mga content, kantaman, kung anong mga content, lahat pagawaan ko siya ng page para mag-vlog siya. Ito, guys, ang kanyang Facebook ngayon. Thank you.